please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the new updates from this channel. Thank you. Hello everyone, Eid Mubarak and welcome to my channel. Today's video is very easy and simple daytime makeup tutorial for summer and makeup sponsored by Paladio Bangladesh. And these products are available in Daraj Asker Dial Bagdom. So let's start. Today I can't use any kind of eyelash, I just use for this mascara. This is a herbal Sanjijito product and first time it's come in Bangladesh. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Allah Hafiz.